Morning, guys. Well, here I am, me and Bentley on a walk into the forest. I'm at Glangwy camping site, mid Wales, not too far from Eland Valley, Hafren Forest. What's around there? Probably an hour's drive from Aberystwyth. Lovely site. Very quaint and quirky. It's got everything you need: showers, toilets. That's a gnat in my mouth. Excuse me. Everything really. So I arrived last night. Oh well, no, not last night. Yesterday tea time. And I'm only staying the one night, so I'm probably going to trek over to Hafren Forest from here, which is only 8 miles, and then probably do a stop overnight over in Eland Valley. There's a wild camp spot that I know up in the hills right alongside a stream. That's pretty good. So I've decided to come for a good long walk. And the weather's turned out pretty warm, so I'm dressed. I'm a bit overdressed really, because it was cool when I was setting up to come for a walk this morning. Now the sun's come out, but it's not to worry. It's fine. This is as you can see if you look behind me. This is we've got the hills over here, which I have done. I have walked these hills all along there, but today I'm going into the forest behind me, which is interesting. And yeah, I'm just going to keep going, and then I'll sit down and have a well-earned drink. It's a lovely site. She only charged me £10. You can't moan at that, can you? We've got everything you need: water, showers, toilets. The water's from the mountain springs. It's not the usual council tap water. I'll need to find somewhere to sit here. But in this forest, you've got loads of like little hidden streams and hidden waterfalls, little waterfalls, and it's really pretty, to be fair. Let's get this gate open. Just to keep the sheep in. Come here, Bentley. Oh yeah, there's a lovely stream here. I'll spin you around and show you. It's all these. I've been here in the winter time when the snow's been on the ground, and you've got all these, as you can see. If you look down there, you really can see that nice little waterfall down there. There's Bentley. The waterfall obviously passes under this road and down to here. Let's just get this round for you. How pretty is that? You can sit down there, crack open your flask, eat a few sandwiches. These trees are lovely in the winter, covered in snow. These pine trees. Absolutely pretty place. Sorry about that. Let's just find a spot where I can sit. Somewhere here there should be. Right. So quick video of Glangwy campsite. Sue is the owner, she's a lovely woman. I only have to text her, she always fits me in. So yeah, there you are guys. Take it easy and enjoy your bank holiday weekend. Bye.